Okay, hello everybody to a very quick, short, snappy episode of the Adulting Podcast. Episode 12 is all about
12, 11.
12. 11 कर लिया ना अभी? So now we are in episode
Ranges.
12 and आज का topic Saurabh is Kurt Meter.
Balancing glasses.
We came across this idea and concept from your mind
Balancing
yesterday.
glasses. आज का topic is balancing
I
glasses.
will have to be very curt and tell you to stop doing that.
Fine.
तो Kurt Meter Saurabh क्या
Okay.
होता है और कहाँ से आया और क्यों चाहिए?
So there is this person called Kurt Cobain. He used to be a guitarist. Okay, sorry. Coming back. Sorry, that joke I cannot help but crack. But Anshika is laughing, so that joke clearly works. Okay, Kurt Meter. So okay, you know how back in the day I used to watch a lot of Tom and Jerry. And Tom and Jerry में ना एक मीटर होता था जिसमें वॉल्यूम मीटर होता था, उसमें होता था 0 and on the left side of the needle was 0 and the right side of the needle was are you mad level. So you could turn the volume and you go to are you mad, the volume will blast like crazy out of the house. It's a Tom and Jerry clip, I can find it for you and you can insert that into your
The final video.
yeah, like I used to play computer games when I was a kid. उसमें क्या होता था, उसमें speedometer होता था 0 to 100. So moment you press accelerator, the speed will go to 100, right? And you will see the thrill and the excitement of a fast moving freaking thing. Now imagine in life you could create that meter for every emotion that you have. So for example, excitement meter. When I meet somebody for the first time, the way I say, hey, what's up? This is Saurabh. There are some people when you pick up a phone, they're always super high excited. उनको रात को 2 बजे फ़ोन कर लो, सुबह 6 बजे फ़ोन कर लो, दिन में 3 बजे फ़ोन कर लो, उनका मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि बम फटा हुआ है उसके अंदर. ये what's up man? कैसे याद किया? Their excitement meter is always on 8 on 10. There are some people who are so muted, उनका excitement level is always 2 on 10. मतलब बात करोगे तो बिल्कुल ही स्थिर है वो 2 on से बात करोगे तो 0 and 110 है वो. मतलब वो बिल्कुल ऐसा लगता है कि भगवान से बात
Don't
कर रहे
take
हो.
names. I'll have to chop out.
No, that's okay. These are safe names. I love these people and these people love me.
ठीक है.
X C4E man. And you know how he will talk. He'll
I
always
know.
be
Oh
calm
my
and
God.
equanimous. मतलब उनसे बात करने लगता है कि मंदिर के अंदर घुस गया हूँ मैं. मतलब like in the Zoom call I feel मंदिर popping up.
Insane स्थिरता.
Right? So now that's their excitement. Now imagine in terms of interpersonal relationships, and this is where adulting comes in. Adulting is all about trying to find your tribe, your people that will go along with you for the next 50 years as you go an adult. Now, if you're 22 years old right now, this podcast should give you tools, ideas, accessories, all sorts of things that enable you to build great relationships for the rest 50 years, 70 years of your life. Now, one of the biggest challenges is how do you get people to go along with you. अभी क्या होता है ना, बचपन में दोस्ती जो होती है ना, एक बहुत ही सैड तरीके से होती है. Either you're friends with the people that you traveled in the bus to your school with, or the college that you grew up in, or the class that you were in. Even the class, the person that you sat next to typically becomes your best friend.
Correct.
क्योंकि ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, कोई क्लास में कोई बहुत ही अतरंगी बच्चा दूर बैठा है, उससे दोस्ती कैसे करोगे तुम?
हाँ.
So तुम्हारे जो दोस्त होते हैं ना, तुम्हारे ऊपर without your awareness and knowledge, and then there was light. Oh fuck, I love lighting. It gets imposed upon you. The
Yes,
friends get
correct.
imposed
It's
upon you.
just-
Now, if you find, let's say, luckily because you were born on the internet, you do random bullshit and you find somebody on the internet that is a good friend. All the things that you could do to become thicker with that friends, what are those things? Now, one thing is showing up, one thing is loyalty, one thing is politeness, one thing is encouraging them to do more. Now, within that, there is a small subset called curtness. मुझे लगता है कि the way I talk to people and the way they are with me in terms of their curtness defines a lot about the relationship. So, मेरे जो
I
closest,
don't understand, but you like.
okay, I'll give an example. If ये विजय जो हमारा स्टार्टअप चल रहा हूँ, क्या है जैमजर में विजय थ्रू आके बोलता है,
हाँ जी.
ये ले तेरी कॉफी.
हाँ.
How would you feel?
Bad.
Bad. If your दादी says ये ले तेरी कॉफी, how would you feel?
Okay, only.
Why?
Because used to it. She doesn't mean harm.
Because Vijay also doesn't mean harm. You mean that Dadi doesn't mean harm because your Dadi has been with you for so many years and if she's doing it, there must be a reason. या तो उसका मूड खराब है या उसका कुछ और रायता फैल गया है.
correct.
And that's why this curtness is coming out in your interaction. Correct? So if somebody that you know very recently is curt to you, you will be offended. कि यार मैं क्या है, मतलब sorry मैं गाली देने वाला था कि ये क्यों मेरे को curt हो रहा है.
हाँ.
But if I am curt to you, Anshika, you will be like हाँ यार कुछ बोल, मतलब Saurabh has been kind to me for last I don't know 33 years, 3 years. And if there is one day that he is being rude to me, like today I was extremely rude to Chandni in a Starbucks. but I hope that she understands कि if I'm rude to her, there must be a reason to it, and there must be a cause behind it, and Chandni will excuse me for that because there's a relationship. On the other hand, if I was curt like that to a Naman, which is the newest member in our team, he will not understand कि मतलब बुड्ढे को क्या हो गया. He will be like कि क्या कर रहा है? No, I'm serious. Like Rajesh sir, one of my mentors, when he is curt to me, I understand that he wants me to become better and do better and improve myself. That's why he's curt to me. But if Rajesh was not a mentor and random some senior in the marketing industry, I would tell him कि भाई देख ऐसा है, तू होगा बड़ा आदमी अपने घर में, मैं अपने घर में बड़ा आदमी है, fuck off, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. So the extent to which you could be rude is a different emotion altogether. I don't want to talk about it, but curt is a little milder. The extent to which you could be curt with somebody defines the strength of the relationship. Oh, then let's call it the Saurabh theorem. Wow, Saurabh's theorem number 44, 11, 12, whatever that number is. So you need to be able to make a list of zero, like make a scale, sliding scale from 0 to 10 and call it the curt meter sliding scale. On 10 is when you can be curt with whoever. Slot people on that. Actually, you can do the thought experiment right now. Make a line 0 to 10. Put those people on 10 जो तेरे से curt होंगे ना, अंशिका तेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा लाइफ. Your dadi probably will only be the person on that scale at this point in time. Probably not even dadi. Your dadi will be at 9. I don't know the answer. हर एक का अलग आंसर होगा.
Correct, yeah.
ठीक है. तो I'm saying वो एक curt meter scale बना लो. And then say who are those people, if they're curt at you and not 10 on 10, you'll be okay. Like मेरे केस में, if any of my C4E people is curt at me on 10 on 10, I'll be absolutely okay. But there will be some people who will be an 8, some people will be 5, there will be some people who will be 0. मतलब for example, if any of my client is curt at me, absolute 0 है bro. It's a professional relationship. I am working for you for money. I do a great job, you pay me great money, and then get over with it. That's how. Some clients end up becoming friends. That then they move from a curtness of 0 to 5, and then those friends become thicker from 5 to become 10. Rahul Vakude used to be my contemporary at an agency that I worked with. Fareen example लेते हैं. Fareen was a Fareen and I were contemporary at an agency. First time I spoke to her, she was polite to me and I was curt to her, and it was 0. Fareen was like कि तू होगा अच्छा आदमी, but मेरे को तो ऐसे बात नहीं करनी, fuck off. And I also said fuck off, and then हम दोनों ने fuck off बोल के खत्म कर दिया. It was 0. Today, Fareen can tell me whatever, and I've seen her crying, and she's seen me crying, and she's seen me in despair, and I've seen in despair, and she's seen me happy, and I've seen her happy. All that has happened. Today, she's at 10, and that journey happened from 0 to 10 in the matter of 3 years. How? Because from 0 she became 1 because working relationship established हुआ. From 1 she became 5 and she threw a lead at me when I didn't even know her. From 5 it became 7 and started working with me. From 7 to 10 now she leads the business at C4E. Now she's becoming like super 10, right? So that transition happened. On the other hand, there are people who were at 10 and now they're at 0. And I don't want to name those names because not polite, but you know those people, they were at 10 and today they're at 0. If that person is curt at me, I can tell them कि bro देख ऐसा है, अभी हम आगे बढ़ चुके हैं इस रिलेशनशिप में, so अभी तू इज्जत से बात करने तो fuck off. The point being, the degree of curtness with which you can operate with somebody defines the strength of your relationship with that person. Now you need to build that with different sets of people. So for example, तेरी family है. Most people will have their families at a scale on a 8 to 10 kind of a number. Most people will have friends from a 7 to 10 kind of a range. Colleagues will be 5 to 7. Strangers will be 0 to 1. Okay? So I'm saying, and within that there's a nuance. In the family, let's say you're close to your father. So you and your father will be 10. You and your mom will be 9. You and your bhai will be 8. So that nuance will be there. And then this is a sliding scale. So depending on your father's relationship with you, it could be 10, 9, and then 10, and then 8. But it will keep shuffling. But the magic would be that if you can find those people who are in that bucket of 8 to 10, and within 8 to 10 they can keep shuttling. Like मेरे केस में C4E में हर इंसान मेरे लिए 8 to 10 है. But जो नया इंसान आता है उसके लिए 8 to 10 नहीं है ना. नमन को मैंने आज हायर किया है. He will move to an 8. But today I need to be very very polite to him and make him understand with politeness कि bro ऐसे करना चाहिए, ऐसे करना चाहिए, ऐसे करना चाहिए. And today he's at 1 right now. And with time he will probably move to, sorry, mixing this in the cold water because it's too hot for me. And I will also make it milder.
I have a question if you're done with the thought.
बोलती रहे, I'm a multitasker.
How do you...
I'm a great speaker, orator, multitasker. Self-confidence level 11 on 10. हाँ, बोल.
How do you know when and how to
about
move
life?
people?
Because I'm cool.
No. How do you know when and how to move people? Let me take Naman ka
ठीक है,
example.
I'll take it. It's in the subsequent thought, but लिख ले, मैं भूल जाऊँगा तो.
हाँ.
But you understand? So when you meet new people, you know कि वो 1 पे आएगा. When you have old people, you know they are probably 5 के ऊपर है, and then they can move ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं, all that. So let me just answer this question, Naman वाला question. So repeat the question.
I'll take Naman का example क्योंकि हम ले रहे हैं. Love you, Naman.
नंबर वन बैड एग्जाम्पल बिकॉज ए वो हरियाणा से है और बी मेरा भतीजा है वो. विशाल का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. विशाल इज नोबडी टू मी.
हाँ ठीक है, विशाल इज न्यू टू मी ऑल्सो. मतलब
हाँ करेक्ट, नोबडी टू मी.
हमने कभी उससे हैंग आउट नहीं करा, बात नहीं करा. सो विशाल इज,
कल तो करी थी तो ऑटो में हैंग आउट.
अरे नॉट इन द
बकवास. लायर.
ultra hangout sense. He is very new to me. I met him 2 years ago. Then he was just a kid. Now he's
अभी kid ही
working
हो.
with me. There's a difference.
अभी
Like that.
टाइम नहीं है, टाइम वेस्ट करना.
हाँ. तो विशाल के साथ today I'll not be good. Right?
हाँ बोलती रहे.
I'll have to learn when and how that time comes where I can be that person with him. With a Chandni or a Saurabh, I can be that today. How do I know?
The answer is love. Okay, no wait, serious? No, I'm serious. It is like love.
Explain.
Do you know that time when you become close to somebody? It just happens. One fine day you wake up and you have a spring in your step and flowers in your chest when you meet somebody for them again. It's love. It's that. I'm serious about this. So for example with Vishal, with Vishal, you know him for a while. So right now he's in the curtness का 1 to 5 वाला window for you. I'm saying a time will come and he'll move to 5 to 7. But वो shift होगा ना, वो रातों रात हो जाएगा, तो पता नहीं चलेगा. Probably because we work closely and all of that, you will know that in a project you're having a tough day and you happen to yell on Vishal, and then that yelling will tell you कि fuck bro, इसको तो मैं take for granted कर सकता हूँ, इसको तो मैं yell कर सकता हूँ, ये मेरा दोस्त बन गया, ये मेरा curtness meter भी ऊपर आ गया है. The maturity of Vishal has to be that he has to accept it. Often like people don't accept it. Like for example, in my head you're a 10 on the curtness meter, but if I'm curt to you, I do not know if you'll accept it well, take it well or not. You're a placeholder right now. You get this? So that is where the first thought is. Second thought is communication. Can you sit with them and say कि bro अब हमारा जीवन, हमारा paths intertwined है, अब इकट्ठे काम करना है, तो now मेरी ज़िंदगी तेरी ज़िंदगी इकट्ठे जा रही है और for the foreseeable future जाएगी. Can we not be more? Can we leave home the niceness and only focus on the outcomes? इसके पहले वाले एपिसोड में पॉडकास्ट में, I don't know when they release, we spoke about the fact that we want to become a ideas first company than a people first companies. So if I can make that put that into your head कि हमें ideas से important है, ideas important, the idea is bigger than an individual, automatically the curtness becomes little more acceptable between the two people. So that's communication. The third thing that you can do on curtness is those employee dates that I spoke to you about कि हम वो dating करेंगे, उसमें बैठ के बातें करो, know each other deeply. मतलब for example, I don't even know what is Vishal का favorite food. Do you know Vishal का favorite food?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Well, I don't know your favorite food, but you look at those tiny things that allow you to become more human, become closer to that individual, and that automatically adds to your ability to become friendly with that person. So that's your answer on how to become that. Also, अगर तुम इकट्ठे काम कर रहे हो, you know, okay, I'll give an example. I'll take my event background example. So my boss from the events background used to tell me कि 3 या 4 प्रोफेशन होते हैं जिनमें तुम बिल्कुल थिक हो जाते हो काम करते हो एक साथ. आर्मी में अगर इकट्ठे आप सर्व करते हो तो you become thick, you have tons of secrets that you don't let people out. Sports team have that thing going. Sports team में क्या होता है, तुम as a team you travel on the road, you're on the road all the time and you work on that. Third, events team, because event में क्या होता है, when shit goes wrong, everything goes wrong and you have to be thick as an event agency. So because you spend so much time together, because you know, like I could look at my boss and tell कि उसको exactly भी क्या feel हो रहा है. Paras can do that to me. Paras can look at my face and say कि ये सौरभ को ऐसा feel हो रहा है. So when you build that kind of a deep close working relationship through thick and thin, that's when the curtness meter automatically goes higher. So अपने केस में good times, bad times, good people, bad people, good times create easy people create whatever that thing. Again, we as a team at C4E, we've only seen good times, and if we've seen hard times, the hard times haven't been percolated down beyond a Saurabh. Now lately some bit of it to Chandni, not even to you for that matter. So we have not, as a team, not seen bad times, we've only seen good times. So if as a unit, as a team, as a family, as a setup, as a structure, you've seen hard times, you tend to become closer, because when hard times hit, all you have is your people, and then the emotions and the niceness and the curtness doesn't matter. You know that all of you are trying to make things happen for that unit. So if you know that Saurabh is saying कि फीमेला करेंगे but अंशिका को बाहर निकालेंगे, तो अंशिका knows कि वो फीमेला के लिए हो रहा है, अंशिका के लिए नहीं हो रहा है. It's not a personal conversation for अंशिका, it's not a personal thing but Saurabh. If tomorrow Chandni decides that brand C4E के लिए सौरभ को बाहर निकालना है. I cannot get emotional about it. I need to trust Chandni and say कि bro तूने मेरे को बाहर निकाला है, तो सोच निकाला होगा because he wants C4E to survive, the village to survive. So in fact, good that I brought the village word out. The answer should be, it should be ideas, village, people. In fact, if you were to, okay, we can write a post on it. We need to be ideas first, village second, people third. People will come and go, but village has to exist. Village can come and go, but ideas have to stay. मतलब हर idea जो मैं birth करता हूँ, उस idea की भी life होती है. You know, it may die without my intervention, it may die without my attention, but वो idea की life है. I am no longer, I don't want to be controlling the outcome of the idea. That's my thought कि मेरे को वो narcissist नहीं बनना कि idea के साथ मेरा disassociative relationship होगा. So that coming back, so we digress. Coming back to the curtness conversation. So with each individual in your life, in your phone book, find who you can be where on the curtness meter. If you have very few people on the 8 to 10 number, you need to work hard to bring more people, because then life becomes easier for you to live, navigate, manage, etc. etc. If you have a lot of people in 0 to 3 people, get help. मतलब क्योंकि you are somebody who's easily offended by random people and random incidents, and obviously life is like that. अभी हम ऑटो में आ रहे थे यहाँ पे, one Swiggy uncle on the bike was yelling at some of the Swiggy uncle on the bike. I mean, it's okay, man. मतलब imagine the other person on the bike, he must be feeling bad ना कि fuck मेरे को क्यों ऐसे randomly road पे rude हो रहा है. We hang out at a Starbucks. One of the persons at Starbucks is randomly rude to all the Swiggy people, right? And Chandni says कि ये क्यों random bitch की तरह बात करती है, and we know who you're talking about. It's okay. World is like that. World is unfair. It'll be bitchy to you. It'll bite you in the back. It'll not bite. It'll stab you in the back. It'll bite you at the wrong place at the wrong time. All that will happen. Your ability to respond to that will decide who you are and what you are. If despite people being shit to you, you can keep your back straight. जो जाके दादा बोलते हैं, मेरे दंड को सीधा रखने का भैया, वो whatever the dialogue is.
Yeah.
If you can keep your back straight when the world is being a bitch to you, that's when AK you become the man. Sorry, a human being. So that's when you become the real human being. Like imagine there are so many people, so many things that happen to so many people that are wrong. It's not funny, man. Do they cry about it all the time? Some people do, and they have a miserable life. But the ones who say कि ये तो part and parcel life है, आगे बढ़ो यार. मतलब मैं हूँ गंजा, I cannot help it. मतलब sorry, the second time it's come out in the conversation today. मतलब मेरी height है 5 feet 8 inches, I cannot help it. What I can help is that despite that height of 5 feet 8 inches, do I shoot for the stars? Do I aim to go there? मतलब चांद पर जाना है क्या? There मतलब बीच जाना है.
हाँ बताया मुझे.
But if I don't, then I will not be able to do that. So the curtains meter conversation is simply about being able to navigate that with your people that you love. And once you do that, I think the magic starts happening.
People create magic.
Okay, time's up. We have to go to the beach. Outro there. Follow me on Saurabh on Twitter. क्या करनी है?
Thank you, dosto. Once again, if you have more thoughts, questions, comments, concerns, problems, issues, etc., DM Saurabh on Twitter.
At Saurabh.
And DM me
No,
also on
it's okay.
Twitter.
इसको DM
Thank
नहीं
you
करना.
for the vibe. Bye bye.